Hello students, I am a literature teacher. Today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Literature. Students, please take out your literature book. Chapter 1. The chapter name is Mr. Todd's Adventure. Children, do you know what is a toad? Okay. The toad and frog are similar. This lesson will learn how the adventure of Toad lands him in a disaster. Turn the page, student. Here the lesson starts. One bright summer morning, Mr. Toad was walking briskly along the high road. Briskly means in an active, quick and energetic way. In an active, quick and energetic way. It was a bright summer morning and Mr. Toad walking very fast on the high road. He strode along till he reached a little town. He was exceedingly hungry after his long walk. So he marched into an inn, ordered the best luncheon and sat down to eat it in the coffee room. Inn means restaurant. So Mr. Toad was very much hungry, so he went into a restaurant to have some food. Next, he was about halfway through his meal when a familiar sound approaching down the street made him start and fall, a trembling all over. The pop, pop. Halfway means when he had eaten half of his milk, a car honking was, he heard a sound of honking. Pop, pop. Drew nearer and nearer, the car could be heard turning into the inn yard and coming to a stop. The party entered the coffee room, hungry, talkative, and in all praise of the car that had brought them along so well. So a party means a number of people who came here in the car. They were all hungry and these people were praising the car which they came. Mr. Toad was all ears. He listened eagerly to their conversation from a time, but at last he could stand it no longer and slipped out of the room quietly. As soon as he got outside, he sauntered round quietly to the inn yard. There cannot be any harm, he said to himself, in my only just looking at it. Sauntered means to walk in a relaxed manner. So, Mr. Toad was listening to them. He listened to them attentively. So, when he heard everything, then he came out from the restaurant. And he, speaking to himself, there cannot be any harm. He said to himself, in my only just looking at it, I am just looking at the car. Cannot be any harm. He is telling to himself. The car stood in the middle of the yard, quite unattended. Mr. Todd walked slowly round it, inspecting it. So, where the car was standing middle of the yard. Mr. Todd went near the car and he was telling that what the special feature of the car having. He just watching it, inspecting it means checking it. How was the car? I wonder, he said to himself. I wonder if this sort of car starts easily. Next moment, Mr. Todd was found seated in the driver's seat, holding the handle of the car. As the familiar sound of the car broke forth, the old passion seized on Mr. Todd and completely mastered him. So next moment, what was happened? Mr. Todd next moment could not control. He come out of the restaurant and sitting in the car, he started driving the car around the yard. He pulled the lever and swung the car round the yard and out through the archway. The sense of right and wrong seemed temporarily suspended for Mr. Todd. He sped so fast, not knowing where he was going. He was only conscious that he was Mr. Todd once more, Mr. Todd at his best and highest. Mr. Todd, the terror, the traffic queller, the lord of the lone trailer, before whom all must give way or be smitten into nothingness and everlasting night. Means when he was sitting in the car, he started driving the car around the yard. Now he was out of the restaurant. He is not thinking whether the car belongs to him or not. He wants to enjoy the driving. He wanted to adventure. Just only one thing he remember, that what he is aware, one, this is his Mr. Todd is the best and highest. That time he was like a king and whom no one can stop. He is the terror. Terror means to whom everyone frightened. So students, the next part of this lesson we will discuss in the next class. Here is some word meanings I have written. Just you copy it down in the literature copy and learn it. Okay students, bye bye.